Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who have subscribed so far and watch my videos. If you do today, I will thank you too. So in today's video, I am going to make my own beauty advent calendar. Now, if you follow my blog posts, you will know that I did a bit of research on advent calendars this year, beauty wise anyway, and they range from, I think the lowest I could find in Boots was £12 up until say like 300. My favourite one was the Bare Minerals one, which cost £76, which is way too much money for me. So I wanted to create a cheaper way for to make my own and be able to try different brands of makeup. So for this you will need a wooden advent calendar or an advent calendar of whatever size, shape and form you wanted. I was going to make one a fabric one, but some of these products are quite big, so I thought this would be better. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave it in the link down below. But this is my advent calendar train from Hobbycraft when I did flowers, face mask and finesse. This is the advent train I did. It needs finishing, so I'm going to finish this now with you. So you'll need a 24 drawer advent calendar. So I've got that, I've got glue and stuff, and obviously you need paint if you're doing this from scratch or however you want to make. I've got pom-poms, glue, I've got letter numbers even, I've got more pom-poms, I've got washi tape, everything's in there, but I'll go through that as well. You'll also need to be brave or confident, or just go with it. Go to local beauty stores, anywhere, ask online. You can go and volunteer to be a tester for these products, and you just have to answer a few questions and you get products. Some places are easier to get from than others, but I have here 24, I'm pretty sure it's 24 different products. Some are from, well, they're from various really. Some are like lip glosses. So Urban Decay gave me some lip glosses. And then I've got Clarins face creams, I've got face masks, I've got Take Your Day makeup off, I've got a foundation from Yves Saint Laurent, I've got lipsticks, I've got moisturiser, I've got, you name it basically, mascara, I've got face wash. So basically I went round Debenhams, I went round Boots and John Lewis. I think, yeah, that was the three I went round and got these. Also, if you're buying Christmas presents anyway, you know, Bare Minerals have offers as well. So Bare Minerals had 4 free full-size lipsticks for free if you spent £50. So if you're buying 2 products from them, I think it worked out, you got that for free. So I didn't get that in the end, but there's an example. Clinique, they have samples all the time. The only things I would say that you don't really want, it's up to you, but this is what Bare Minerals gave me, which is their foundation, but it is only like packet size, whereas stuff like even the Clarins, that's like a mini size, travel size one. You've got like the Glow Glam face wash, that's the size. You don't really want samples like that. I mean, I've got two Clinique free lip glosses or sticks. So you don't really want stuff like that unless that's okay with you. You kind of want the sample sizes, the mini travel sizes if possible. Some people just don't want to know. They will not say yes, they will just try and make you buy something. So just don't even bother with them, just walk away, try somewhere else. If you're not really like an outgoing spoken some person, you get your friends to do it with you. It's so much easier. My friend Claire, she came with me in our lunch break and she was like, oh, I've got twin nieces, they're only 10, have you got any free lips like glosses, which is where we got these from Urban Decay, because I'm not spending a lot of money for, and I've got to buy 2 for two 10-year-old twins. That worked. Also saying you wanted to try out you wanted to change your makeup and you had sensitive skin and you wanted to try out the brand more than just a tester, like putting it on in the shop. You wanted to try it out for a while. That really worked. Some though literally were like, nah, not having it. So you just need to play around really and work out who will say yes and who will say no. And it also, if you email people, they are all going to say yes, go into a shop and ask, people will give it to you. So if you've got that email backup, then go in and give it to them, because that definitely does help. So yeah, I'm going to begin now, finishing off my train and then putting all of the goodies in. So come along with me on this. Okay, so the advent calendars retail about £15. So you probably spend about £20 max on this, because I didn't buy any products to get all of that. So I'm literally going to get out my train now and prettify it a bit with all of the stuff I've got, because it just doesn't look wonderful at the moment. Okay, so your train would, if you're getting the train, your train would just come white, like wooden, and you'd have to paint it unless you didn't want to paint it. So much thread everywhere because I've had other stuff in that box, right? So I'm just gonna literally finish like sorting this out, because the tape is just not playing game. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this tape actually. Okay, so I'm cheating kind of, because obviously I've already started mine, but not all of my doors, I'll move him out of the way, not all of my doors have numbers on. I'm pretty much done in paint wise. I just need to work out what numbers I haven't got and stick them on, which looks like it's only 2 doors. Yeah, 1, 2 doors, so I've only got to put 2 doors on, so I'll just work out them numbers and stick them on. For you, you'll obviously need to have your numbers and your buttons or whatever you want to do to decorate. You'll need them, and then I've got my little signs and stuff like that. You can decorate it however you want. There are so many ways people were doing it, so you can decorate absolutely however you want. And then I'll finish off the train a bit, because I'm going to put some baubles, what are these, pom-poms on Santa and do the buttons, and then it will be finished, and then I just need to fill it. So basically, yeah, you just need to paint it or do whatever you want with it and then put it all together. So there's 1,000,001 ways to do this. Obviously, I just took them all out, so I'm gonna put them in number order now. I did glue it on at the Hobbycraft thing, but it just wasn't long enough to do this all in. Okay, so the boxes I've got missing are 4 and 21. So I've got a 2 and a 1 here, and a 4. So I've just left my numbers as plain. You can do whatever you want, and just stick them on. So I'm just going to pick this one, because this one's got no string at the back, so this is going to be my back one. And I'm going to take my Merry Christmas. These are all from Hobbycraft as well, so you can get whatever you want to put on yours. So I don't need the other one. Well, you could use that if you wanted. So that is the Merry Christmas on the back. I just think that's just a little added touch to it. The others you won't see, so there's no point putting anything on them because they all screw back together with this bit here. Screws into it. So that's why I just put that on the back, and then I might put some more onto it with the buttons and stuff, but for now I'm gonna just decorate this first bit first with him, with his pom-poms and stuff to make him more real-like, and then go from there. We are scrapping the pom-poms because I just do not want to stick, and we're just going to go with decorating the wheels of the train and the carriages with these buttons. They just add a little bit of extra colour to it. I think they're really cute. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on doing that. Obviously you'd have to paint it, do whatever you want with yours, but for me this is really easy because I've semi-done it. Then that's all my wheels done, so you just need to connect it all together now and you're good to go. I would just advise you that you make sure you paint yours better than mine, or somehow make it work better, because mine just wasn't going right at the course anyway. It's better now, but I'm going to screw it all together and yeah. And there's your train. You add all your bits to it, add in all your goodies, get your mum, your friend, your dad, your boyfriend, add all your goodies to it. For me, I'm just going to put them in now, purely because, just for this. Some of them look like they're not going to fit yet. And then there you have your Christmas beauty advent calendar, which cost you probably roughly about £25 max. And there you have your Christmas beauty advent calendar for roughly about £25 this has cost me. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below your favourite kind of advent calendar, and if you would make something similar to this, what would you put in it? Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye!